Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we'll look at how we can connect to an AlmaLinux machine from a Windows 11 machine, and we'll be using SSH. Now we'll be doing the connection remotely using the inbuilt SSH client on Windows 11. On the AlmaLinux machine, I just need to verify that we have SSH installed, and it should also be active and running. I'm going to be using the terminal, so I'm just going to open the terminal, and then first thing we'll do is we can check the version of AlmaLinux we're running. I'll do cat hc OS release. So we're running AlmaLinux version 10. Okay. So in order for us to install SSH, we'll run the command sudo dnf install open SSH server -y for yes. Put in our password. Okay, it's done. Now we'll need to verify that SSH is active and running and also enabled. We'll use the command sudo system ctl status sshd. Okay, it's active and running and it's enabled. Now if it wasn't running and enabled, let's look at the command we'll need to run. We'll need to run sudo system ctl enable sshd. That enables it. To start it, we'll change this to start sshd. Okay, next thing is to check the IP address on this AlmaLinux machine. We'll need the IP address on the Windows 11 machine. The command is IP address. Now we see that the IP address is 192.168.1.116. We'll need this IP to do the remote connection. Now another thing we might have to do is to log out from this machine if you're going to be using the same username, right here. So I'm going to go ahead and log out. And we'll head over to the Windows 11 machine. So this is the Windows 11 machine. Here I'm going to open the command prompt. Now you can use either the command prompt or PowerShell to do the remote connection. I'm just going to use the command prompt. First, I'll make sure that I can reach that device. I'll use ping. I'll ping the IP we just got, 192.168.1.116. And I can ping it. Okay, clear this. Now, like I said, SSH is inbuilt on Windows 11. You can verify by just typing SSH and press enter. If you see these options, that means we have SSH installed. We're good to go. We can just go ahead and do the remote connection. Now, the command to do the remote connection using SSH is going to be SSH, then the username here, @, and then the IP address of the AlmaLinux device, which was 192.168.1.116. Type yes, type our password, and we logged in. I can do W here. We have a session here, SSHD session from the user and that's all. That's how you would connect remotely to an AlmaLinux device from a Windows 11 device. Now obviously, if you have a firewall running on your AlmaLinux device, you'll need to allow SSH access, okay, on your firewall. If I go back to this AlmaLinux device, I'll quickly show the command to allow SSH on your firewall. The command will be sudo firewall, okay, cmd add service, then equals SSH. Then if you wanna make it permanent, you input here permanent. Okay, that's the command. The first command you run. The next command you'll need is sudo firewall cmd reload. So you'll need to reload your firewall. So I don't have the firewall enabled here, so I'm not going to run this command. I'm I'm gonna undo this. So on this AlmaLinux machine, we might be able to see SSH logs using the same command we ran earlier. If I do sudo system ctl /sshd. So as you can see here, it shows you that we have this connection that was accepted for this user email. Okay, that's all for this video. That's how you can connect remotely to AlmaLinux from a Windows 11 machine using SSH. So I hope this information has been helpful. I'll catch you in my next video. Thanks. Bye.